A reason why people don't read well and people don't speak fluently is because they don't pause. In a language, you can't have a rush of words. Now, when I'm speaking to you, I'm pausing in the middle, aren't I? And that's the reason why I speak fluently. See, I paused, and that's the reason why I speak fluently. I had a small gap between those two sentences that I just made. This is Usha Pandit, your Mind Springs English teacher. So, clause breaks are very important. Now, look at the sentence that I put up for you. It says, I guess the thief will be taken to prison after they have investigated because nothing was reported missing. It's a long sentence, but we have paused at every clause. We have also paused after I guess, because you need to give the person who's listening to you a little bit of time. I guess the thief will be taken to prison. That's your big idea. So you've broken it. And then after, so you've got another thought coming up after they have investigated, and then you've got a because clause coming up, giving you the reason. So we've broken up that big sentence into 4 chunks, and that is why it is easy to speak. Come to my workshop on the 16th of March between 3 and 5:30, and we will do these sentences together. We'll do some exercises so that not just you, but your students and your children and whoever you want to teach English is empowered to speak it well because they know what to do. So I'm going to see you there on 16th March. Do come.